Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At nakita niyo naman sa ating title at sa thumbnail ng aking video, bibigyan ko kayo ng 100 content idea para sa inyong YouTube channel. So before that guys, kaya ako nakapag-video ngayon kasi wala kaming pasok dito sa Pampanga. At marami na rin cases ng COVID-19 dito sa Pampanga at mabilis din siya dumadami. Kaya dapat lagi tayong malinis sa ating katawan, naghuhugas tayo palagi ng kamay, nag-alcohol at kumakain tayo ng mga masasarap at masasustansyang pagkain katulad ng gulay at prutas. So without further ado guys, let's get started sa ating video! So maraming tao ngayon yung naghahanap ng quality videos na kanilang papanoorin sa YouTube. Kaya bilang isang YouTuber or gusto mong mag-start ng iyong vlogging career, dapat iniisip mo muna or you will think carefully kung ano ba yung dapat content ng YouTube mo. And kapag nag-start ka ng YouTube, dapat iniisip mo muna kung ano ba yung dapat kong gawin sa mga videos ko. Bakit ba papanoorin ako ng mga tao? So, napaka-critical mag-isip ng mga YouTube content. Kaya, nandito ako para bigyan kayo ng 100 YouTube content ideas na inyong pwedeng gawin sa inyong channel. So, ano pa hindi hintayin natin? Let's get started! So, bago ang lahat, gusto ko muna palang i-shout out si programmer Drew, kay Colleen, kay Princess Chloe, kay si John ko, at kay Ria and Marika. So, ano pang hinihintay natin guys? Simulan na natin ang 100 content idea for YouTube. Number 1, daily vlogs, how-to videos, photo editing tips, travel episode, latest gadget review, music covers, gaming videos, facts about you, unboxing, what's in my bag, what's in my phone, giveaways, cheap travel tips, best places to eat, restaurant reviews, singing lesson, how to shoot videos, best app for Android and iOS, house decoration ideas, quick and easy daily recipes, house or room tour, a collab with another YouTuber, video editing tips, pranks, fails, memes, reaction videos, parody, bloopers, mannequin challenge, bottle cup challenge, blind drawing challenge, ice bucket challenge, language teaching lesson, music theory lesson, study tips, life hacks, how well do you know your partner, my husband or boyfriend does my makeup, Valentine's Day idea, best slow dancing song, wedding reception ideas, best place for a couple to travel, best movie for two, how to behave during an argument, relationship tips, how to surprise your partner, DIY gifts idea, beauty blog, fashion blog, makeup videos, beauty product review, hairstyling tips, thematic makeup, extreme sports videos, acrobatic or trampoline tricks, underwater footage, healthy lifestyle, jogging tips, healthy food, fitness blog, tips on losing weight, dancing tutorial, tips on public speaking, self-discipline, life lesson, how to care less without unimportant things, thoughts on the meaning of life, ways of relieving stress, job-seeking tips, reaching goals, bucket list, dealing with heartbreak, going through a personal struggle, card tricks, interview, home remedies, pet caring, bird watching tricks, talk show, how to stay creative, how to throw parties, legal advice, magic tricks, social experiment, driving tips, music album review, mukbang, event recap, cooking videos, do and don'ts for something, drawing, how to spend your weekend, book review, how to build a PC, best device for gamers, how to understand your pet, summer or winter essential, slow motion, and live stream. That's it guys! Yun na yung 100 YouTube video content na ma-share ko sa inyo. Sana dumami pa ang ating mga subscriber. At bago lahat guys, gusto ko munang batiyan ang ating YouTube channel na Happy Anniversary! Yay! So 1 year na po yung YouTube channel natin at parami ng parami ang ating pamilya. Keep on subscribing on my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Bye!